but they're Japanese.
That's right.
That's odd.
That is a bit odd. But we've got Asuka in there. We've got some really cool tanks. They do a lot of armor. They just do armor. That we get. Tanks full of memories. Yeah, so we got those. And we've got Academy. We've got some new release Academy stuff come through.
Yes.
Yes, we'll be looking at that soon.
Soon?
Shall we get our special guest in?
Do you want to get another? Yeah.
He's lounging.
Is he?
Stop lounging, boy.
He's kicking back.
He's waiting. Get to work.
Choo choo. Stopping all stations. Express.
Without further ado,
He can't help it. He's swiping left.
William Games.
Whatever he's doing.
William James, come on in.
Okay, swipe your
I'm
my
gonna
key.
swap. Bye. I'll be back. I'll show you the models later.
Swipe your my key and all aboard.
Hello.
How are you?
Got my hands full.
You have a bit, haven't
I've
you?
got a few things in.
What is
It's
going on?
It's been an exciting Friday. Hello, everyone.
Hasn't it?
Got a few little treats.
Welcome, Will James. Welcome, welcome. So we've got some goodies in store today.
Certainly
Now, those
do.
of you that didn't see the live this morning, we did this little impromptu live. You are like up to your elbows in Cardo, Pico, and Oxford.
And Oxford, yeah, which we've got. I've brought in today. Well, I've brought in a bit of both. Not the Cardo. The Cardo, I think, speaks for itself. We got a lot in, and a lot moves very quickly. So if you are after Cardo, now is the time. We're pretty well stocked up, and the Pico disappeared pretty quick,
doesn't it?
And so did a bunch of the Oxford already. Someone else came in before and just grabbed a heap of it.
Lovely.
So yeah, I mean, great. They're fantastic diecast models.
Yep.
For our model railway community, these are the 00 scale ones. Which don't get me wrong, you can get away with HO. Stick these on the layout. No one's looking that close, but they are fantastic.
How close do you have to look?
Pretty close, but even then, detail on these is great. What do you want to start with? Do you want to start with what's in your hot hands?
Yeah,
or
why not?
Awesome. So this year is 200 years of railways in the UK, and Hornby has done some. Well, I mean, apart from that, there is a lot of events this year around Rail 200 in the UK.
Yes.
You will also get, well, Hornby's done some rolling stock. So this is the tarped wagon.
Tarped.
Yeah. It's not based on a real one. Well, it doesn't exist in the real world, but yeah, we've got a handful of these. Well, this model exists.
Yes.
The prototype doesn't.
Oh, okay. The one-to-one.
Yeah, at least not that I'm aware of. But anyway, this is...
Is it not just a normal wagon with sign writing?
Oh, it is now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's pretty cool. So that's a bit of a limited edition one.
So where would you put this? Well,
you can put it wherever you want.
What would look good pulling this thing around your track?
Class 37.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Would it?
The old tractor. Yeah, that's my favourite.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of them. Yeah.
Class 37.
Class 37. They make heaps of noise. If you look up some YouTube videos,
I'll have to look that one up.
They put out heaps of smoke. That's always pretty cool. So
Is
yeah,
it a steamer?
No, it's a diesel.
A diesel.
Yeah, it's filthy.
Oh.
It's fantastic. It makes heaps of noise.
Yeah, it's good.
And then yeah, we got some Oxford.
They still have bearings that can fail though.
Yep. Yeah. Yep.
Diesel ones still do.
Thanks for bringing that up.
Well, just in general, I'm just saying. I'm not pointing the finger.
So we got a lot of Oxford in, but I brought in some of my favourite picks from this release or this order that's come in. So the first one in our hands here is the Lockside Café, which has got a nice picture of the Loch Ness Monster on it. I thought that was fun.
Why wouldn't it?
Bit of Nessie. Yeah, I thought that was fun. So I brought that in.
Do trained people like to have this much fun with their layout?
I certainly hope they do, because
it's pretty cool.
That's part of the fun, isn't it?
Monster-sized portions.
Yeah, how good's this? This is fantastic.
Got a flap on it and everything.
Yeah. Hook that up. Away you go. Give it a pull.
There you go. Look at that.
Wonderful. So then we've got this one, which is the JCB parts and delivery van. It's a Bedford.
JCB looks like a Bedford to me.
Yeah, it is Bedford, but that's it's
a livery.
It's a company car. And I thought the livery looked quite smart. I reckon that's pretty conducive to a bit of weathering. I reckon.
You reckon?
Yeah. Well, that's going out there and rescuing excavators and things like that. It's going to get covered in
muck.
Yeah.
Gun GSB Ltd. There you go.
I thought that was a very nice livery. I was very impressed.
I do like myself a bit of a Bedford.
Yeah, and then we got the Hearst. Yeah.
But it's a bit morbid.
Something different, though.
You could put your own character in there.
Yeah, you could. Whoever you want. All done and dusted. That's all good. And then I've got this this van. It's a Morris van.
Morris.
bit of ice
Oh,
cream.
I love that. That is such a cool style van. No?
Yeah, it's a nice livery with the blue and cream. And yeah, it's a cool looking van.
I would have
think
thought it was a Renault. Looks to me like a Renault. The crazy French styling, but clearly not. Clearly it's a Morris. That's
apparently it is a Morris. I'm just going off the packaging. I just read what's on there. And that's a Messerschmitt.
Messerschmitt.
Yeah, bit of a crossover today. Got the yeah.
Well, when you're not allowed to build warplanes anymore.
Yeah, you build a 3-wheeled motorbike. Yeah, that thing's. I can't believe that was ever like road legal, but there we are.
Why?
Pretty cool. I don't know. That's dangerous.
They didn't even used to have warning labels.
Yeah, I suppose.
Please do not drink battery acid. Hey?
Whatever.
If they have to put that in your car instructions, I don't know that you should really be.
I suppose.
Really driving it or lifting the bonnet per se.
Yeah, I guess. And then I brought in this bus. Because all the other buses are gone.
People love buses, don't they?
Love a bus. This is a very nice bus. I don't know what type of bus it is. It is Alexander Northern.
Alexander Northern.
Yeah, Scottish bus.
All the way from Scotland, probably.
Yeah. That's nice big windows. You could put some people in there.
How would you get in there?
I don't know. Haven't got that far yet. Knock the windows out. Away you go.
Just do it your way.
Yeah, whatever. It's your bus.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, that's what's coming.
Bit of Oxford.
Yeah, bit of Oxford. Stoked.
I can't wait to see your 009 layout.
Yeah.
How fun is it?
I love it.
Hey?
Yeah.
How's it coming along? Getting ready for Amra?
Yeah. We've got a private meet coming up next month in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, was that like a testing?
No, just for fun. So the group will get together during the month and we'll set it all up and have a play.
Yep.
And then the next big one is for Amra, which is at the showgrounds, and we'll have a big display for that.
Flemington. Got my beanie ready.
Yeah, just here. I see it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, that'll pretty much be it, probably. We might do something towards the end of the year, but yeah. So I've just got to fix a couple of things on mine. I'm not going to make anything new at the moment.
Fix her up.
Yeah, it took a few dints over Easter, a couple of knocks, but that's all part of it.
Is it just moving it around, right? Moving these things around must take their toll.
General public, like,
public.
Well, I don't care because it's going out into the public, but kids like to touch. They want to see what the grass feels like and the rocks, and they'll grab at it. That's okay. Or just from use, like they'll get a bit of wear and tear, but it's nothing you can't fix.
How do you transport the layouts like that?
Mine fits in my car. So, because it's modular, I've got a station wagon. It all just fits in. But like when we move,
you got a bad wagon.
Yeah, you got the big wagon. When we move layouts like Maryborough, which if anyone's seen it is quite large, we have to hire a truck.
Okay.
Some other layouts got custom built trailers, but I guess the whole premise behind the Fremo 9 thing was to have, so you didn't need to really invest in a giant, transport or anything like that. You could build to what fits in your car.
And relatively speaking, like anybody can clip on, right?
Absolutely, yeah. Dude came in the other day. Don't know if he's watching. And he's just jumped straight in. Yeah. He's come over here from I think he's French. And he's like, "This is great.
Yeah,
I'll sign me up." Yeah. So he grabbed some track and some bits, and then he's been in my DMs asking a few questions, which is all good.
Slid in.
Yeah, I was like, "Here's the group." Well, he saw the little sign for it. He's like, "I want in." Good. I said, "Let's do it."
That's fantastic.
So it's all happening.
That's all happening.
Absolutely. So lots going on here. Lots of new good bits and pieces.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you're doing next Saturday.
Saturday, I will be here on a Saturday.
Signing babies.
Sure.
Yep.
Whatever. I'm easy going.
So all your fans can come. If they're busy working, they don't have to have days off work to come and see you.
No,
they can.
I will be here on a Saturday. You can swing in, talk trains. Take a look at what we got.
Talk trains with Will James. There you go.
That's what we want.
It's the name of our segment.
Absolutely. So, next Saturday, come on in.
That is fantastic, Will.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank
you.
you
for showing us your wares.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Guys, get amongst it. Get here. Get to Amra. And let's have some train fun.
Absolutely.
What new releases have we got to look forward to in the coming weeks or months?
In the next few weeks, we're going to see Ixion A2s. In the next few weeks, we will see IDR L sheep wagons.
Yeah.
They are both very, very close. Like really close. Really close.
Yeah.
So
You've seen them, haven't you?
I have.
You've
had a little look.
You've seen them. You know where they
I
are.
know what's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they will, because they've got to get here off the ship and distributed. So we will see them in the next few weeks.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I think they are trying to get them here.
For Amra.
Nah, before that. Amra's August, mate. We have
Well,
months.
that's train guys. It's like next stop.
Yeah, I suppose. But yeah, no, they are on the way.
Good.
So yeah, the next thing we should have in stock are a Ixion. I'm probably going to get this wrong. 422s and N scale, the new release. So we've got those on order, so they should come in soon.
Fantastic. I can't
What's
wait.
going on?
Well, that is awesome, mate.
Wonderful.
You can pedal off.
I'll go back to my corner.
Get back into your little corner. Have fun with all your mates.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Well,
You're welcome. All right.
All right.